Abusuya sabre your court na court atenase no
Abusuya for appear case no nyame adom na eda ba wie force ne se oni nyina so bia se de mama court in fact the useless case because na boy no asa bonica 15,000 bonica 15,000
wow hallelujah.
Bless everybody for your prayers and your support.
Akasa. I was a heavyweight Yankopon Akasa Madam
Agradaa ko do prison no wakwakoto obi wo ho a oscam no with sikagari. And now apparently the person was also sentenced to prison because obi man sika so fanya de no di sika ne bre na Agradaa so onye sika galima no ena ne nsanka sika ne biom ena nipa no so che no e de ne court ena ye sentence or no, but according to what we heard allegedly akasesman na maame no so ye no na maame no ehu Agradaa no say you are the reason why I'm here. Na according to nipa kra odi asam no to TikTok app no so no bo sister no bo Agradaa no wabuna ma with 2 gold teeth na sha no
Agradaa confie nu o keke sisi ene ye mfie nu enye mfie dubu
okay
on charge we ye man mfie dodo we
okay
we ye man mfie dodo we count we ye man mfie dodo we ba kokra de ye fine no out of the 5 counts
okay
na enai na aka na o keka bobom a eye mfie dubu
okay nti bia
wo mfie dodo a ehyehyem ba judge do na nitirimu ye
Until the bulls
eye pa se judge no ye ne sa e ma menua ba no
until the bulls are
eye mfie dubu na mom erane concurrent
all the counts
erane concurrent nti se otwa 1 year we twa we 1 year we twa 2 years we twa but question is say when we appeal now am far why na be man pardon mahama
never say that
a sentence in there 15 years but erane concurrent assembly hobby
so
okay
also the cases no na we and then on the oba na to your friend say
gifty
empress gifty and empress gifty dey ni bia empress gifty dey dey ba yen cheye
but other court cases
and the same sika gare ne then when you different different we no ehase dada 2022 afeni yama ho judgment we nya mahama ba ye na ya chi Agradaa na ye de Agradaa kwa akotum bi because I ye kura no mahama hage no Tuesday ye temi ya na mahama hage no ba jo mahama ho o se je ekufo eche mechirim
ba o tun e bifo because I know o can say time my judge ni ye say ye ko check the pregnancy test no o can say 5 years do benya
5 years there.
I said 5 years dear Obenya.
But I quite me catch 17. And
5 to 10. In between 5 to 10 Obenya.
It's before you make by say you see my book will never could go. Bra, men for them man do so.
Oh yeah.
Agradaa ko dem 15 years ame obi ni antonchia me di me fie be chawo amu na of bone me simi na me do 5 years ni one man 15 years munya bi amu be yo Ghana no say no we are in a democratic country there is guidance America high one if the NCR pop daddy and I'm finding not guilty on 3 charges, guilty on 2 charges. I feel I'm study sentencing guidance. Yeah, why there sentencing guidance? What to be classing for open and then they open. First time offender, I'm them 50 years because the way was she, madam, pewusi ka ni bi na bo obra na mo nya isa mo tete government institutions ahoye adane cancer
that ni see kon one here anyone man timponi ya Agradaa because say respectable lawyers mo kroma say ya bo mu pa o kroma say much as mo ka chi Agradaa lawyers say they should go for appeal but we are telling the Supreme Court and appeal court say they should never ever accept any appeal to reduce the 15 years e be ya kwana ko musa fa bin san kan o musa fa bin kan poni Agradaa di o marry any o man fo no muti kroma say no ni kwa so bia have sympathy for her on the side of that ja form team bia ya to ni Agradaa must rot in jail na in the team no o mu Agradaa bu o mu nyina na ye pese omo ba in a group nye form group nye go file fresh case against Agradaa say the be ya nyame boa na so timi complete the 15 years na timi complete 15 years ni wie pe e dey be yin na sada na e be sa jeri no lifetime imprisonment e be ni say duah he jeni bi dey be yin na na sa jeri no biem lifetime imprisonment e obi Agradaa buda ana wadanfo bi wabuni da o ma me bi wabuni da ka chane say ombla me DM ombo me high me fa nka group no because finally yes I go file fresh case already pese na ni be hu awiase biem oni Agradaa di o marry ni o manfo no muti kroma say no ni kwa so bia have sympathy for her he has to rot in jail